Bengal, while the Congress and the TMC are in India blocked together for national politics, in Bengal, Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury of the Congress party have made the big Dalali attack on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury has said Didi has been doing Modi's Dalali, Modi's lobbying, that we couldn't have India alliance in Bengal. That's the reason he says that India alliance is in other states, not in Bengal. This is a very scathing remark, remember. Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury has said Congress party is at the doorstep to form the government with our allies, but there is Dalali happening by the TMC. That's a huge comment. Listen in.
इस बार के चुनाव को आप कैसे देखते हैं? क्योंकि इंडिया गठबंधन बना है, लेकिन वो इंडिया गठबंधन पश्चिम बंगाल में नहीं बन पाया, तो क्या हुआ? आप कैसे देखते हैं?
मैं कुछ नहीं देता। दीदी है, मोदी के दलाली करते हैं, इसलिए नहीं हुआ। दीदी के साथ मोदी की समझौता हुई है, नापाक समझौता हुई है, इसलिए नहीं हुआ।
अभिषेक बनर्जी कह रहे हैं कि वो तो ऑनेस्टली चाहते थे कि ये गठबंधन हो, इसलिए 6 बजे सुबह मिलने गए थे राहुल गांधी से, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं नहीं हुआ और ब्लेम आपको कर रहे हैं।
मैं तो पहले भी जैसे था अभी भी वैसा ही है। आदि चौधरी 2 साल पहले जहां थे और जो कहते थे आज भी वही कह रहे हैं और वहां खड़ा हूं।
And again to that specific comment that Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury made. Go ahead.
कि इंडिया गठबंधन बना है, लेकिन वो इंडिया गठबंधन पश्चिम बंगाल में नहीं बन पाया,
तो क्या हुआ?
आप कैसे देखते हैं?
मैं कुछ नहीं देता। दीदी है, मोदी के दलाली करते हैं, इसलिए नहीं हुआ। दीदी के साथ मोदी की समझौता हुई है, नापाक समझौता हुई है, इसलिए नहीं हुआ।
अभिषेक बनर्जी कह रहे हैं कि वो तो ऑनेस्टली चाहते थे कि ये गठबंधन हो, इसलिए 6 बजे सुबह मिलने गए थे राहुल गांधी से, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं नहीं हुआ और ब्लेम आपको कर रहे हैं।
मैं तो पहले भी जैसे था अभी भी वैसा ही है। आदि चौधरी 2 साल पहले जहां थे और जो कहते थे आज भी वही कह रहे हैं और वहां खड़ा हूं।
इस बार के चुनाव
That's a huge comment and exclusive to India today, and that was Indrajit Kundu who got us that interview. Indrajit, he not only looks angry, but he clearly is mincing no words. And while Adhir Ranjan has been charging at Mamata Banerjee or other issues as well, but to say that Dalali karti hai BJP ki is a massive comment. What happened? Why did he say what he did?
Well, Pooja, this is not the first time. Just last week, Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury was caught on the wrong foot while campaigning when he said that it's as good as, voting for TMC is as good as voting for the BJP. And that time also he had faced the backlash, and now this. As you just pointed out, you were spot on. Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury seems to be a man who is in a hurry and a man who is also, in a sense, a bit angry right now because he is facing the toughest election of his life. It's a 3-cornered fight here in Baharampur, which goes to polls in the next phase on 13th. And therefore, Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury is mincing no words right now. He's scathing remarks against the Trinamool Congress because in this 3-pronged fight between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, the Congress here, Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury's own home turf, Baharampur, is facing a challenge from the TMC and the BJP. You would know that Trinamool Congress has fielded cricketer Yusuf Pathan here. They are facing a stiff challenge from the Trinamool Congress on ground and also the BJP candidate in Baharampur. And the buzz is that if the Muslim vote, there is a split in the Muslim vote between the Congress and the Trinamool Congress.
And Indrajit, this will clearly blow up, I expect, and we'll be expecting reactions on that, specifically from the TMC and possibly BJP as well, because the remark is aimed at the Bharatiya Janata Party too. Thank you very much, Indrajit Kundu, getting us that exclusive interview, and we'll be tracking the latest on that.